breaking inputs coming in. Disha Salian's father has met the Mumbai top cop and in fact has filed a written complaint. Now he's unwilling to give his quest for justice. He met the police commissioner of Mumbai a short while ago, also filed a written complaint against Aditya Thackeray. Now in this complaint, Aditya Thackeray's name is explicitly mentioned multiple times as one of the main accused in the case. The complaint alleges that Aditya Thackeray, along with others, was involved in the rape and murder of Disha Salian. It further claims that the then Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray and senior police officers were part of a conspiracy to suppress the case.
अरे अभी आने का आओ त्यांना भेटून येऊ द्या आधी. अरे बोला ना जाके आके बोले. What are the points of the FIR? What basis you are? Gang rape and murder against Aditya Thackeray and others, including accused Parambir Singh. All right. So major allegations. परमबीर सिंह के खिलाफ केस दर्ज कराने आए यहाँ पे सतीश जी.
अभी कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा, जो बोलेगा वकील साहब बोलेंगे. मैं
परमबीर सिंह ने एविडेंसेस टेम्पर किए, आपका आरोप है. वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन को मैनिपुलेट कर रहे थे, आपका आरोप है.
सतीश जी, आप वाले हैं पुलिस से
अभी कुछ नहीं बोलता मैं.
सर आप सर कंप्लेंट हो. अरे प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज.
We have Shweta joining us on the broadcast with more details. So Disha Salian's father has filed a written complaint and has mentioned Aditya Thackeray's name multiple times, is what we're given to understand.
Well, that is right. In fact, this is the significant development that has taken place in Disha Salian's case. Now, remember, there is the written complaint that has been filed, but now, as per the advocate Nilesh Oza, this has been called as an FIR. So, Mr. Nilesh Oza is also with us, while he has also stated that when there is an involvement of police officials, the format is like so. Mr. Oza, just one question to you. Now, you have reached to the Commissioner of Police. What kind of insurance or assurance that was given by the Joint Commissioner to you?
He said, don't worry, we will take every steps to give justice to Satish Salian. चिंता की बात नहीं है. जो भी कानून में जो भी पॉसिबल हम सब करेंगे. बेटी के पिता को हम निराश नहीं होने देंगे. न्याय होगा, ये उन्होंने आश्वासन दिया.
Mr. Oza, but at the same time, we are also seeing that again there's a writ petition that has been filed in the Bombay High Court. Yes. With this, you have also registered an FIR. Has the FIR been registered?
As per Sudhir Oza judgment, this is FIR. Once you received copy, now it is FIR.
So one you're holding in your hand is the FIR?
It is the FIR. It is the acknowledgement copy. Now it is the FIR as per this judgment. Sudhir Oza versus Commissioner of Police.
Right. What is the next course of action, Mr. Oza?
Now it is for the police to verify our allegation and arrest the accused, start their custodial interrogation.
Last question. Why 5 years? Why 5 years?
No, madam. मैंने फिर से बताया, this is not 5 years.
Yes.
पहले 2 साल 29 जून 2020 तक तो आरोपी उद्धव ठाकरे ही उसके ये थे, उनका सरकार था. उसके बाद में जब एसआईटी कंस्टिट्यूट हुई, एसआईटी ने स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड किया है 11 दिसंबर 2023 को. उसमें सतीश सालिया ने कहा कि यस, केस रीओपन कीजिए और इसमें एक्शन लीजिए. तो ये 2 साल तो वो हो चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. और उसके बाद में ये तो एसआईटी के अधिकारियों का नाकामी है कि वो हमको आना पड़ा है हाईकोर्ट.
इस बार न्याय मिलेगा?
हमें तो पूरी आशा है और हम न्याय लड़के लेंगे. हम देखिए, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज और डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आम्बेडकर, इनके मानने वाले लोग हैं हम, और उनसे हमने सीखा है अन्याय के खिलाफ कैसे आवाज उठाते हैं और न्याय कैसा पाया जाता है.
All right, well, this was the exclusive conversation with Mr. Nilesh Oza. Remember, he had reached to the Commissioner of Police office and he has said that there is an FIR that has been lodged against Aditya Thackeray, Dino
Right.
Moria and
So Nilesh Oza, they're
Suraj
saying that
Panchali.
the fight for justice will continue. Thank you very much, Shweta, for getting us the details.